What's going on, guys? Little Boy's Garage here. Another video. Lighting's bad. We have another video. I'm installing the harness bar on my WRX. Right here's the harness bar. And I got a head start. Get in here. Oh, where's the flashlight? I'll just use my phone. But yeah, so I got a little head start with taking the top bolt out for the seat belt and the bottom one. And I actually need to get two longer bolts for there, two for down there, and then let's see, I'm gonna put the actual, like, let's see here, the harnesses, I'm gonna mount them back to this bolt, which I'm just gonna get two longer ones there. So yeah, I just wanted to get a little head start to see what I was getting myself into. And right now I'm going to get 2 new bolts, or 6 new bolts, longer ones. And then I'll get back to you guys and we should be able to get this in. I'm really excited to see how it comes out. Alrighty, so got new bolts. So I got the one side in. Well, not fully in. I'm waiting to put the cover on that just so I can adjust this some more. But got the support rod in there. Harnesses are down. Now I just got to do the same thing over on this side. It's not that fun, but I know it'll look good. So, and I don't know, like I'm not really like recording the support rod and stuff because for one, it's not even fun for me to put them in. So I don't think it'd be fun for you guys to watch it. So I might do a time lapse on this one. I'm not sure though. But yeah. Already took that off, got this support in. Like I said, I believe I time-lapsed that, but or at least I time-lapsed those, putting those in. But I don't remember if I did anything for this, but if I didn't, not too bothered, because that was not fun to put in and it's not fun to watch getting the bolt all the way down in there. But yeah, sorry if the lighting's bad like this, but I'm gonna try to do this one-handed. Oh, shit. Adjust that. Just tighten this down enough just so I can mock it up for the bar. So yeah, now I just gotta put the bar in all the way across, hook the supports up to it, and then I should be able to put the harnesses actually back and bolt it in, and then this whole project should be done. And I think I'm also gonna put my new front lip on, because yet again, I broke another one, so I'm on my third. But thank God I didn't buy carbon fiber like I originally planned, because that would have been a lot of money wasted down the drain. But yeah, so yeah, after I get the harness bar in, I'll put in my front lip. That'll probably be the end of the video. But yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying it so far. But that's how it's looking so far. See you in the next clip. Alrighty, so I got the bar partially in, bolted in. Let's see, where's my flashlight? Here it is. So, we got the bar in. It's kind of weird though. I had to flip these mounts. Well, this one's flipped and that one's not. It was weird when it said this fit my car, but it does fit, and doesn't hit the window. That's all that matters really, and as long as it works. So yeah, now all I gotta do is bolt the supports in and put the harnesses in, and it should be good. Alrighty, so I had to go to work, so I wasn't able to finish it fully, but I'm back now finishing it. It is 12 o'clock at night, or in the morning actually. So, time to finish this and go to sleep, honestly. Yeah, right now, just bolting down the supports for the actual bar, and then I should be able to put the last bit of the harnesses back, and then it should be all done with the harness bar and the harness install. Alrighty, so I just got finished bolting in, which bolted them in to the seat one. I was adjusting them, which I'll actually show the front quick. So like they look good. I mean, I wish the logo was farther down, but it's not the end of the world. But when I sit in here, like tighten these ones, this kind of climbs up. So I think instead of mounting those lap ones to the seat bracket, I think I might put it in here with the original seat belt, like the bottom bolt there. I might put it in with that, because that will be a shorter distance, I believe. Not 100%. Might try it out though. I don't know yet, but I gotta figure that out. But since the car is stored, I don't have to worry about it too much right now. All I know is I got some time to figure that out. So yeah, and tomorrow I will be putting the new front lip on, which it's the same one if you've ever seen it in the videos so far. Literally the same one. And I actually have something at the end of the video I want to tell you guys. I'm pretty stoked about it. I think they turned out really good. So yeah, stay tuned. Watch it until the end of the video. Yeah. Alrighty, so today's actually a new day. I took some time and adjusted the harnesses so now they don't climb your the lap belt doesn't climb as much. So now I'm gonna put the new front lip on. Alrighty, starting with the new front lip. We're not starting, we're just putting the new front lip on. And it's actually something I didn't think I recorded. Just gotta kick this on. There's the grill off, only taken that off like 50 times. Alrighty, then take. Here's the fun part. You can see right there my bumper quick releases. And I didn't want to do those ones where you like put like a tab here and then there's a tab on the fender and that's like rubber banded, because for one, I think it doesn't look that good. 2. If I ever didn't want to have those again, there'd be holes in my fenders and I had to get new fenders. So I tried these. I believe all you do is just push the button. There. Not the most fun, but that should click a lot better, but I guess not. But yeah, the reason why I have those instead of the normal clips was because there's a tab here, and it snowed here. I didn't have a winter beater yet, and I was driving and I hit a nice chunk, which was the reason for my second lip breaking, and then also this tab breaking. And I tried like fixing it, but it didn't really work. So I tried these. I'm trying these clips right here, the quick release buttons. And as of right now, not as good as I was expecting. If I have to have a tool with me to even get it off, that's kind of stupid. But as long as it holds the bumper on, that's all I really care about. But yeah, enough of that. Let's actually get to the actual lip install. Okay, so got the new front lip on. I didn't record it just because there's literally just like 8 bolts, and I don't think that's fun to watch. So now time to put the thing on, or the bumper on the car. And this video, well, that will conclude this video, but I also have something else at the end of the video, so please stay tuned for that. So yeah, let's get this bumper on. One more thing. I'm gonna put like a sticker or something on the old harness bar, either an NVIDIA or this Cobb one, but I already have Cobb one on the car, so I think I'm gonna do this NVIDIA one that came with my downpipe. So let's see. Let's see if it even sticks. It's been sitting for a while. If it doesn't, whoop-de-doo. Oh, God. I'll have to get the actual heat gun out for that, but yeah, well, it's good enough for now. I'll just get the heat gun out, and actually, while I'm here, take some of these off for one. Take that off. Take that off. Even though it has a blob, or that's a bug eye, but yeah, don't like it. Can I get it off here? Take that off, and actually, I'm gonna stick this in here. This is actually what I need to talk to you guys about. But yeah, let's just try to do this one-handed here. So I can flip the camera up here. There we go. Alrighty, let's try to. It's kind of hard because I'm so close to the dash here, but I'm gonna say right there. Try to keep it kind of cleaner in here. You know, I'm not a big fan of stickers, but I really like that one, the in and out. And then it's just gonna focus. There, yeah, then the Low Boys Garage. So yeah, we actually have a limited supply of those, and that's what I want to talk to you guys about. If you guys ever do want one, just go to my Instagram, or the YouTube channel's Instagram. I believe it's low_boys_garage. You can DM me. I have Venmo or Zelle, and I can mail them to you if that's something you guys would want. So yeah, if you want stickers, hit me up on Instagram, and I can send those out for you guys anytime. They are $5 a piece, but I can probably work a deal too if you guys want more than one. So yeah, that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. It means a lot to me. Thank you. Stay low, boys.